Happy holidays and welcome back to Hybrid Hobby. I have something here from our friends at Athearn that I want to share with you guys. Let's check it out here. It's a Genesis 2.0 locomotive. What is it? Oh, there it is. It's the new Dash 9. Let's check it out. This is awesome. Built by GE from 1993 until 2004, the Dash 9 and its variants were the definitive North American mainline freight locomotives of their time, with an impressive 3,600 total units built. Constructed for U.S. railroads from coast to coast, the units were also ordered by Canadian roads, and significant export orders went to Australia and Brazil. The new Athearn Genesis 2.0-9 is equally as impressive as its prototype. A host of railroad-specific details, such as the Canadian spec Dash 9 version with its four-window cab, to the C&W units with their unique roof vents, these models take the Genesis line to new heights. Standard on all models are Athearn's superior paint colors, researched from the prototypes to be as close as real as it gets. We will be taking a look at the Union Pacific variant of the Dash 9 for this review. Union Pacific is notorious for their interesting collection of motive power, which makes them one of my favorite railroads. The Dash 9 locomotive was ordered in few numbers by the UP, only 40 to be exact. Athearn has recreated 4 of those examples, depicted late in their careers, repainted in the lightning stripe scheme with the yellow frame stripe and wings on the nose. These unique repaints have many nuances. Chiefly, they do not feature the American flag on their flanks. I'd like to thank Neil Stutzman, Andrew B., and Brian Kemp from rrpicturearchives.net for contributing the pictures of UP 9702 for this review. Thank you for help preserving railroad history. Okay, and without further ado, let's see what this locomotive's all about. Alright, let's take a closer look at this Genesis 2.0-9 series locomotive features. The model comes fully assembled and ready to run. It's scaled from prototype resources including drawings, field measurements, photographs, and more. Accurately painted in printed paint schemes, coupler cut levers, flexible rubber MU hoses for durability, flexible rubber train line hose, see-through cab windows, a full interior, walkway tread, fine scale Celcon handrails for scale appearance, windshield wipers, lift rings, wire grab irons, detailed fuel tank with fuel fillers, fuel gauges, and breather pipes, sander lines, and it's equipped with McHenry-style knuckle couplers, which are KD compatible, Genesis driveline with 5-pole skew-wound motor, precision machine flywheels and multi-link drivetrain, all-wheel drive with precision gears for smooth and quiet operation, all-wheel electrical pickup provides reliable current flow. The wheels with RP25 contours operate on all popular brands of track. LED lighting for realistic appearance, a heavy die-cast frame for greater traction and more pulling power, and packaging that securely holds the model for safe storage. By integrating and pioneering some of the latest model advancements in the industry, Athearn is redefining model fidelity with Genesis 2.0. Some of the Genesis 2.0 features include brand new tooling, etched see-through walkway steps, illuminated number boards, illuminated ground lights on front trucks, illuminated front and rear walkway lights, illuminated class lights where applicable, and animated roller bearing caps. The DCC Ready version of this locomotive features quick plug technology with a 21-pin NEM connector for decoder of your choice. Sound-equipped models feature an onboard DCC decoder with Soundtrack Tsunami 2 sound, dual cube speakers for optimal sound quality. Sound units are able to operate in both DC and DCC. Full DCC functions are available when operated in DCC mode. Engine, horn, and bell sounds work in DC mode, and all functions are NMRA compatible in DCC mode. The model has precision slow-speed control and the availability to program a multiple unit lash-up, with the lead unit having only the horn, bell, and lights. Many of the functions can be altered via the CV chart that is in the box included, so follow that along and you'll be good to go. Alright, now that we know the details and specs on this locomotive, let's get her out on the main line and see what she's all about. I'd like to give a special thank you to Horizon Hobby, Athearn, and the California Southern Model Railroad Club for help making this review possible. If you're looking to add some of these beautiful Genesis -9s to your fleet this holiday season, head on over to horizonhobby.com, your favorite model train retailer, or your local hobby shop. Act soon, because these beautiful locomotives are flying off the shelves and dashing through the snow. Anyways, happy holidays, everybody. Have a great one. Thanks for stopping by. Until next time, this is James from Hybrid Hobby. All aboard!